Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't already, please do subscribe for weekly videos. But today, we're talking about beauty maintenance. I need some acrylics, I need some lash infills, and as for my eyebrows, I am here to save the day because no salon, no problemo. Your girl is here to show you how to get professional quality acrylics and individual lashes at the convenience of your own home for all you quarantine queens out there. So let's get started with the lashes. I'm gonna be using the Kiss Falscara set, which come in little clusters, and you can see on the back that these are the usual bonds that you see in individual clusters, but the wisps are so lightweight that come in the Falscara set. So I already know that I love the underlash technique, so I can't wait to show you how I achieve this, and let's get stuck in with this little set. Okay, so step one, I'm taking the Falscara double-ended tool, which has the bonding end and also the sealant end. It does say that a little bit goes a long way with this. I've not used this exact method before in terms of the bonding solution. I usually use glue, but I have a feeling this is going to make them last for a few days. Before I apply the bonding solution, I've just curled my lashes a little bit to give them a bit of a lift. But step one is apply the bonding solution to all of your lashes. And I'm now going to take one of those individual clusters and just bond it to the underneath of my lash line. I'm going in with my second cluster now. I've just lined it up directly next to the one that I've already applied. It's amazing how they just literally bond straight onto those lashes. And then if you just kind of give them a nudge, make sure they're all snug. And also you can squeeze them together with your own lashes along the lash line. And then it does say that the final step is seal, and it's got vitamin E in it as well, which is always lovely. So simple and quick. They look exactly like individual lashes, salon quality, undetectable. Just so beautiful. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish off with the other eye, and I'll be right back. And here is the final result of my Falscara lashes by Kiss. I am so obsessed. I'm looking forward to seeing how long they last, hopefully a few days, but they look like individual lashes, so seamless. You would not be able to tell that these haven't been applied professionally. They look so much more natural than strip lashes, and just kind of make you feel cute and ready for the day, even in isolation, because we cannot let ourselves go during this time. We've got to feel good, because to be honest, we need to feel good, and I feel like an element of feeling good is definitely feeling confident and looking good as well, whether that's healthy skin or a fresh face of makeup or extensions or just like your nice moisturizer or your lashes and nails. It's just nice to look after ourselves, isn't it? But there ain't no shame in slobbing it and wearing a tracksuit and no makeup, just saying. That's me most nights. Okay, now we're moving on to nails. So at home acrylics, how are we going to turn these nails into salon quality talons? Well, if you've been following me for a while, you will know that I have converted from being an acrylic queen to a press-on queen, and it's changed my life. Honestly, press-on nails have changed the game for me, 100%, because not only are they quick and affordable, but I can get nail art that would take hours in a salon and press them on in literally minutes, and they're delivered to my door. It's just way too easy. I have a couple of fresh sets here. So I always order my nails from a place called Rackstar Nails. It's an independent business run by one person, and that person is my best friend. I gave her the lovely nickname Rax. So it just made sense that she called her business Rackstar Nails, and I'll show you a few of her designs here that she's done for me and for others. But I have two fresh sets that she sent me through the post, so that's the great thing. Just to explain quickly how it works, you can get a sizing kit delivered, so it has every size nail. You just measure up, take note of the number on the nail, and let her know what sizes you are for your sets to be created and delivered. All of them are custom made, so you can have whatever designs you want, and you can also have just basic colours. They come in any shape, any length, And if you don't want to get the sizing kit and you don't know what size your nails are, then you can just order a complete set of 20 which come with every size ready-made in your custom design. So here I have some fresh deliveries. We've got a cherry set, and we have this cool kind of detailed gold embellished blue tip manicure thing. So I've been dying to put on the blue tips. Her sets range from £20 to I think about 50. She also does a lot of buy one get one frees. Also, while I'm chatting, I'm going to show you the process of how she actually makes the press on nails. So this is what I was kind of getting done in a salon. I'd have to go to London or travel to a talented nail tech, and I'd have to sit there for 4 hours to get some cool designs, because I like to have something a bit quirky. I like cool designs and patterns and Louis Vuitton and whatever. I've experimented so much and I love to switch it up every time. But I'm not gonna lie, I did not enjoy sitting there for that amount of time. It took a full day for me to travel, get the nails done and everything like that. So now the fact that I can have these custom made acrylics done to the exact same standard and have them delivered to the point where I can just prepare my nails and press them on is kind of life-changing, not to mention convenient for me to switch up my looks with my nails quite frequently. So if I have a job that requires neutral nails, I can take them off and apply them in the same day without having to rush to a salon to get them taken off. I can do everything at home basically, and I'm going to show you exactly how I do apply them. But before we apply them, if you are wearing acrylics or you do have gels on, I do really recommend this. In fact, I don't know if it works for acrylics. Obviously soaking off acrylics in acetone always works, but this is amazing to take off your gels. This is just like a My Gel Magic Remover. So you put it on, you paint it over the top, and then you leave it for 5 minutes, and then you just scrape it off. It comes off so easily. I really didn't think it would be so simple, but I really recommend that. I'll leave a link below to everything that I'm talking about in this video. I just got that from Amazon. But then when you order your custom acrylic nails, it comes with a few essentials. So it does come with glue, it comes with a little buffer, a couple of alcohol wipes, a cuticle pusher backer, and a little mini nail file. So step one, I start by pushing all of my cuticles back. I mean, you can go to town with this manicure if you want. You could use a cuticle removing solution or the cuticle cutters. Yeah, you can do the full works. Obviously give your nails a complete trim down. Mine are already trimmed, and then we move on to the filing. I start by filing all of the rough edges and then continue to file the top of my nail bed just to add extra grip for the glue and the press-on nail to stick to. And then you take the alcohol rubbing wipe and you just use this to really cleanse all of your nails and your nail beds to make sure there's no moisture, so that they can really stick on nice and snug without any lifting. And then what I do is I size all the nails up to my fingers, just check that they fit, and before I add the glue, I push the cuticles back with the false nail to just check it fits. If the nail is still too wide, you can file the edges just slightly. There's absolutely no harm in this. And I have to say, my favourite glue is Elegant Touch glue. This is just the kind of bottle one. I love this one and the Elegant Touch brush on one. The brush on one's my favourite actually. I'm not sure if it's the same formula or what, but I can't find my brush on one right now. I personally prefer to squirt a little bit of glue onto the nail, and you just need the tiniest little dot. Oh my days, I'm feeling brand new. Look at my gorgeous nails. I mean, they may not be to everyone's taste. They might be too long or too crazy or too... but they are exactly what I wanted, and they've got me feeling bougie and bad and like I can take over the world. That literally took under 10 minutes from start to finish, from preparation to sticking them on, and believe it or not, these will last me for 2 weeks, and I don't usually have any nails that pop off during that time, but if I do, it normally happens within the first 3 days. I'll get 1 or 2 that ping off, and then I just secure them down again. Make sure that you buff over the nail and get rid of any excess glue, and then you'll be good to go again. Honestly, these will stay on my nails for 2 weeks now. And after that 2 weeks is up, what do we do? Well, 1, you can wait for them to naturally lift, so that's what I do. They naturally lift after about 2 weeks, or at least they've definitely softened. The glue is old and they're ready to come off, so any sides that have lifted, I get a little toothpick and just kind of push under and loosen the glue. If there's any tough bits, then I'll soak them with acetone. You can soak them off, just cut them down, soak them off like you would usual acrylics. That works. But for me, after a bath or soaking them in soapy water, I just ease them off with a little toothpick. Now, I haven't experienced any damage on my nails from doing so. I wouldn't advise biting them off prematurely. If they are really secure and you need to take them off, you just soak them. Otherwise, wait for them to pop off, and they're reusable for as long as you take care of them for. Another thing I adore about these nails is actually the shape, in terms of the way that they're sculpted. I could never get this shape in a salon, no matter where I went, and you can kind of see, I think it's called the apex, where it's kind of got that nice U curve on the actual nail, so they look nice and sculpted and thin and not fat. If you've been following my Nailgate on Instagram, hashtag Nailgate, there's a whole story. I went from having fat spade nails to sculpted talons, and I documented the whole experience and journey. Ah! Oh, it's clapping for the NHS! And that is how I apply my custom press-on acrylics. Okay, onto the brows. Now, I'm only going to touch lightly on the brows because I have done a full video showing you from start to finish how I tint and laminate them. So I'm just inserting a few clips. This is me tinting my brows, and then I use this lash lift kit that actually laminates them. And if you don't know what brow lamination is, it's just a way to make your brows lifted and fluffy for that brushed up feathery brow look, which is bang on trend, and it just makes your eyebrows look buff, really. So I'm going to link that below along with the kits, so the tinting kit and also the lamination. But they are my 3 top tips on how to get salon quality brows, lashes and nails in the comfort of your own home. Just a couple of Amazon, oh, hey girl. Just a couple of Amazon purchases later and a Rackstar set of nails, and people will start ringing the police report in your local salons. But in all seriousness, I really hope that you're all healthy, well, and staying safe at home, which is the quickest way to just help the world heal and reopen. I'm sending you all my love. Please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, turn your notification bell on. Let's have a little conversation in the comments, and thank you so much for watching. It means the world to me. Until next time, my beauties, mwah, love you lots, bye!